Hi friends, welcome to Home Learner TV, where learning starts at home. Today, we will learn the red light and green light. If we see a red traffic light, means we need to think and wait. If we see a green light, it means good to go. Like the traffic light, we should know what is green choice and red choice. Green light and green choice is kind, safe and helpful to ourselves and to others. While red choice is unkind, unsafe, hurtful and not good for ourselves. Green choice is thumbs up. Red choice is thumbs down. Here are some examples of green choices. Listening to our parents is green light. Tidying up our toys is green choice. Helping house chores is green choice. Attending class is a green choice. Destroying toys is red choice. Not listening to parents is red flag. Laughing to others is thumbs down. Fighting with others, red choice. Let's have a game for green choice and red choice. Throwing toys and not cleaning up, is it a green choice or red choice? Red choice. Brushing teeth is a green choice or red choice? Correct. Green choice. Is sharing food to others is green choice or red choice? Green choice. Bravo! Hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more learning videos every day. Don't forget